taking you in this moment. Come get close like you own it. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Tenya, and today I thought to show you guys my day because I have few exciting things planned for today. First off, it's my friend's birthday, and then secondly, we are going to a dance class, contemporary dance class. I have always wanted to try contemporary dance class because it seems so fun. And then I wanted to talk about the quality of my YouTube videos because I've been struggling a lot to post on YouTube because I am constantly pressuring myself. Like, I put so much pressure on myself to put out the best content. So when I am creating a video and if I don't like it, like, I end up deleting whole video because just because I feel like it's not aesthetic enough, just because I feel like it's not good enough, so I end up not posting anything. So yeah, this year I'm not gonna let that perfectionism get the best of me. The reason I think I've been struggling with this is because I often compare my videos with great YouTubers that I watch. Like, they put out such great contents, like their contents are top tiers, and then I compare my videos with them, which is foolish to be honest, and it's not fair for me as well because they have been doing YouTube for at least 5 to 10 years. The ones that I watch, like, they have been doing it for 5 to 10 years, which eventually lead them to where they are now. So yeah, and I am just a beginner. So I think what I'm trying to say is that I don't want to get too hung up on making it perfect that I never put out any content. So yeah, this year I'm gonna try my best to give you guys more content and just put it up on YouTube without caring too much. So yeah, that was one thing that I wanted to take it off my mind and talk to you guys about. This is a message for you guys as well, that you don't have to be perfect to do something. You can always experiment it yourself and get better at it. And yeah, if you like it, I don't think you really need to make it perfect. Like, don't be too scared to put yourself out there. I opened my YouTube channel around this time of the year last year, so it's officially been like a year. But honestly, last year I didn't even put out much content. I guess I put out a total of 3 to 4 vlogs maybe. So this year I'm trying to be much more active, and I am learning new things, and I'm trying to unlearn my unhealthy patterns. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about. I bought few things from H&M and it came just now. First off, I ordered a shirt, a plain black shirt, a plain long sleeve, and the arm, it's kind of like there's a small slit in the arm area, if you can see this. And then we have, I think this is a parachute pant. I ordered one because I really like it, and also it was on sale, so I love the color. It's a sage green kind of parachute pant. I'm definitely gonna keep it, but it looks kind of big, like the waist. But anyway, it is adjustable. So yeah, this is the perfect quality. I wanted a quality like this one. And then we have this. I ordered up jeans because I wanted one loose straight jeans. I had one wide leg and then one mom's jean, but I don't have a loose straight jean, and I wanted a good jeans, like a light color. Nice.
Lazy Sunday
That's all I got. I got one jeans
covers. I don't mind
one is my
staying
top.
in with you.
Let's try it
Play a
on.
favorite
We'll see how it
movie,
looks on.
laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much.
Just your simple love and it's everything. Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away.
Hi guys, time check, it's currently 3:30. You guys are in my cupboard right now because I am thinking about what to wear to the dance. So yeah, and also I just ordered a cake because my friend is coming at 4 p.m. and it's her birthday, so I just wanted to give her a little surprise. And yeah, and for the clothes, I'll just pack my bag as well. Right now I'm going to carry this tote bag. I don't really have much to bring, and like the camera, water bottle, and socks. They told us to bring socks, and yeah, that's it. And then I'm thinking about wearing this leggings, a plain black leggings and full sleeve black top. But I kind of want to wear a loose pant. Not loose, like I have another pant. I'll show you guys. Wait, this one. But this one is kind of like breathable. It's giving very contemporary, but I think I won't be comfortable if I wear this because it's kind of tight around my butt area. So yeah, I'll just wear the I'll just wear the black leggings and the black top. I'll keep you guys updated.
OMG, time flies pretty fast. Mom told me no one's everlasting. Fast forward, breeze, step out of the nest. Let's first start straight away. I don't wanna waste my time complaining. I don't wanna trade places for no one. That's what leaves my eyes shut down. For I realize what the real man.
It's already 4:30 and I was waiting to surprise her, but it seems like we're gonna get late, so I'm gonna get dressed. Ta-da! Just got ready and we are so late now.
And could this be the sign that you were giving me? Is this a green light, or have I lost my sight? And they say wear your seatbelts, keep an eye out for yourself. But I just wanna take a detour, don't know where we're going anymore. Yeah.
बदले है अब तुझसे मिलकर क्यों आज कल बन गया वो 5 6 6 7 and go 7 go. Six, seven, go.
I just came back to room and I'm so tired now. After we were done dancing, we directly went to the dinner because we were getting late. The dance class was pretty good. The one who was teaching, he was like so good at it. And then since the style we were doing was contemporary, it was pretty hard. Like we were lying on the floor, we were twisting and turning, and we were doing all sorts of things. So it was quite messy, but we really enjoyed it. Yeah, the dance was a really good experience. But then we had to lie down and my bones are hurting because we had to kneel down, and then we have to like twist the angles and do all sorts of things. So my the bones around my feet are literally hurting. It turned red when we were dancing, but yeah, it was quite challenging and I really enjoy it. And yeah, I would be up to try it again as well. That is all for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you stayed till the end of this video, comment a dance emoji like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Woke up and I'm broke inside again. Said that I was gonna leave, but I'm here again. I'm stuck now, and I don't wanna lie. Feels like every chance you get